So what I'm doing here, this is a bit of a top, just draw a line straight around there. I'm making a template so I can put it on the top, clamp it, and then router it with my router. Alright, I'll take it outside, cut it with my circular, and then we'll use it as a template and router it. Now this is the actual circular what I cut my finger off with. I don't know if it still works, this has been out and Freddie's had it, but I come to the job yesterday and my old circular had blown up. So, is it going to work? And I couldn't get one last night. Oh, it still works. Oh, I got palpitations. I best watch the old pinkies this time. So I'm making a template for that worktop so I can run it round with my router, because when you see this worktop you'll see what I mean. So I've clamped it so I know where I'm going. This time just make sure that's bang on, which it is. Slightly over, slightly. Cat's nads. Oh, I forgot how good it is. You know what I mean? I forgot how good this is. Not good to cut your fingers off, but good to cut. And then once we make this template, just make life easier. Once my mate brings back my router, job will be good. And marking it 40mm in, because my saw cuts 40mm, so I can run the channel. We'll clamp that up there. This my splash job's good. So this is a piece of timber. So all I've done is made a template for this, and then when I router it out, my router has got a spacer on it, which will give it 7mm space. So there'll be a 7mm overhang all the way around it, and then the worktop will just fit straight on it, like a dream. Once my router gets here, it should take 10 minutes to cut this top in. So this is the top what I'm on about. Get my router from my 7mm bit. That's it. Just going to drop it in there, slide it across. Right, what I'm going to do, just get me earplugs. Because I couldn't stop once I committed. Very hard doing it with one hand. work of that. All one piece. Now this is going to go straight in like that. Tailor made. Pay a fortune for that. I should charge a fortune for that. Is it equal gap? Look at that. You can't get better than that, can you, kids? You know what I mean? I do it in slow motion. Don't call me the master for nothing. And that's what that template was for. So I could rattle that all in one piece. Get it on there. Beautiful. Does actually look quite nice, that. We just give that edge a sand. Get rid of any little marks. But I have to say it does look nice.